Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're making another no stamping card. We're going to be using the Fully Flowering Ephemera Pack, the Labels and Layers Ephemera Pack, as well as the Saying Something Ephemera Pack. Now, this does not come in this case. I just wanted to show you that you can purchase these stamp cases, and the ephemera packs fit perfectly in there. But these two are in the plastic that comes when you purchase your dies. So when you get dies, this is the Deco Circle dies. They have a plastic covering over this covering. And I save those, and it's perfect to hold these as well. So however you want to pack it, that's how you can keep your stuff together. And we're also going to be using the Dashing Designs 3D embossing folder, okay? So before we start our project, we're going to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have the September Autumn Abundance Kit. It's going to make 9 cards and comes with the Cajun Craze Stampin' Spot. We have the Every Celebration Dies add-on. It's $12 for the 3 dies that coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits, but you can use it for whatever you would like. Those are while supplies last. There's a link in the description box for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our Designer Series paper sale. Stampin' Up has 14 packs of its Designer Series paper that can be found in the annual catalog on sale for 15% off during the month of August. Also during the month of August, we have our bonus days. This is when last month you earned coupons for every $50 purchase that you made. Now is the time to redeem those coupons, okay? So check your emails, get your coupon codes, and place your orders, and make sure you're adding your coupons in there to get your $5 or however many coupons you earned. Get those, make sure you redeem them. This is our August host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're ordering with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, all right? So that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on our project because we have quite a bit of little things to do. So I have gone ahead and die cut some Lost Lagoon and Basic Black using the Deco Circle dies. And these are the number 6 and 7th largest, okay? So if you're counting down from the largest, these are 6 and 7, all right? I have 2 pieces of Basic Black here that are 1/2 inch, and we're gonna cut these down to 5 1/2. So right now they're probably 6 inches, but they're gonna get cut down to 5 1/2. And we also have some Granny Apple Green here. This is 5 1/2 by 2 1/4, and we're gonna emboss this using that 3D embossing folder. So let's go ahead and get that out and put it in our embossing folder. Get our die cut machine and the plates that goes with it. We have plate 1 and 4 for this 3D embossing folder, and we're gonna run this through. Okay, so now we have our paper already embossed. Oh, that is so pretty. This is my first time using this folder. Ooh, both sides are nice. So you can choose whatever side you want. Okay, we have our inside pieces here. This is some Granny Apple Green that is 5 by 3 3/4. Then we have the Basic White that is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. And we're gonna mat those together. And we're going to add it to the inside of our card. Our card base is a thick Basic White that is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. Come on, glue, just a little bit. And we're going to just add this right on in the inside. Get my bone folder and burnish this score line down. Okay. So now I'm going to take this piece and we're going to just put this right in the middle here. And I think I should have made it a little longer because the embossing has shrunk. Made the cardstock shorten a little bit, but that's okay. We will make it work. It'll be okay. Let's make sure we get plenty of glue. Make sure this sticks down really well. Trying to stretch that back out there. So now we're going to put glue on the top and bottom of these. This Granny Apple green piece. And this is where we're going to add our 1/2 inch basic black strips. So I'm just going to take these, line them up with the edge, add them on, just like that. Okay. Then we're going to take our scissors. We're just going to give that a trim. Next, we are going to glue our circles together. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we're going to pop this onto the front of the card. Right in the center here. Just like this. All right. So now we are going to get some scrap paper, which is our grid paper, Stampin' Up! Sales grid paper. So you can use this for scrap. And we're going to get our sentiment from our Saying Something ephemera pack. It is white. It says hello. I'm going to place it on this paper and we're going to color it using some Stampin' Blend. So I have some basic black here. And we're going to color this. I'm using this small end when I really need to be using the bigger end, but I need to replace my basic black because the other end is kind of messed up. And I wanted this to be dark because I could have used the blending brushes and did it with the Memento Tuxedo Black ink, but I don't think it would have got as dark as I wanted it to, so I'm using the blends. Just trying to make sure I go all the way to the edges there. Okay, then we're going to go into this E a little bit. Okay, then we're going to switch from the black to smoky slate. So for the smoky slate, let me see if I can, yeah. See, that end of it is much better. We're going to take it like this. We're going to go right there. And from smoky slate, we're going to go to gray granite. I think I did those out of order. I should have did the gray granite first. That's okay. And then I want to do light smoky slate. Just like that. Okay, so that is it for that. Oh, I see some black that I didn't get on our H here. See my tip is messed up. I don't know how I did that. There we go. All right, let's get back to putting this card together. So I have 2 pieces of the ephemera pack. One has this lovely, what is this? Scalloped edge with some flowers and the little grid on here. And we're going to just glue that down. Now you can place this like this, this, however you want. And if my memory serves me, I wanted it down like that. If my memory is serving me correctly, that is how I want it. Let me get some Stampin' Dimensionals to put on the back of our flowers here. And I chose these flowers. This is from the Labels and Layers. This is from the Fully Flowering. but they're the same flower, so that's why I chose them. Those are two different ephemera packs, but they coordinate, so yay. Yay for Stampin' Up's coordination. Let's pull the backings off of this. And we're gonna pop this flower on our card about right here, like that. Then we're gonna take our hello, and we're gonna put a little bit of glue on the back. Try not to put too much. And as soon as I say that, I first squirt too much. So, trying to be very light-handed here with this glue. But I need to make sure I get it on there because we don't want our sentiment coming up. And we're gonna put this right down here at the bottom, just like that. Isn't that cute? So now I have the, what are my gems at? The Adhesive-Backed Sparkle Gems. And I'm gonna use the black ones. Let me get my Take Your Pick tool. And we're gonna use some of these black ones. Let's put one here. Get a small one. Put it there. And maybe, I don't know. Do we want one here? How about one there? Ooh, that popped up. It stuck to my finger, come off. We'll put one out here. And how about we put one maybe right there. And we'll call that done. Isn't that cute? I like these colors together. I wouldn't have put them together, but since they were on here like that, I don't think this is Lost Lagoon. I think it's Pool Party, but the Pool Party cardstock didn't really match it too much to me, so I used Lost Lagoon. But that is our card for today, you guys. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.